सब्सक्राइब कीजिए फाउंडेशन गुरुकुल बाई आर के चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाकर ऑल पे सेलेक्ट करिए ताकि हमारे लेटेस्ट ट्रिकी वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशंस आपको सबसे पहले मिलती रहे।
Hello and welcome students. Today we are going to learn about the changing of unlike fraction to like fractions, and we shall also learn the method of comparison of fractions. So let us start. We shall know that the method of changing unlike to like fractions. So there are a few steps of rules, and so first of all write the rules or steps, then we shall learn it through the example. So step first, find the LCM of denominators of the fractions. First of all, we find the LCM of all the denominators of the fractions, and in step 2 find equivalent fractions having denominators of each fractions equivalent to LCM. It means that we change the denominator of each and every fractions equivalent to the LCM. We understand it through the example question, and here is first example question: convert 5 by 6, 7 by 9 and 11 by 12 into like fraction. There are three fractions here: 5 by 6, 7 by 9 and 11 by 12, and we have to change into like fractions. These fractions have different denominators, so these are unlike fractions. And according to the definition, we know that the fractions having same denominator are called like fractions. So we just solve it. In step first, we have to find out the LCM of denominators. So LCM of 6, 9 and 12 equal to 36. Like that, 6, 9, 12. 2, 3 ja 6, 9, 2, 6 ja 12. Again 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6. Again 2, 1 ja 3, 1 ja. Again 3, 1, 1, 1. So LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 equal to 2 to the 4, 3 ja 12, 3 ja 36. Here. Now find out the equivalent fractions in step 2. So 5 by 6 equal to, we have to change the denominator equivalent to 36. So 6 will be multiplied by 6 gives us 36. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by 6. 5 into 6 by 6 into 6 equal to 30 by 36. Next number is 7 by 9 equal to 9 into 4 gives 36. So we multiply both the numerator and denominator by 4. 7 into 4 by 9 into 4 equal to 28 by 36. And third one is 11 by 12. Whenever we multiply 12 by 3, it gives 36. So we shall multiply here both numerator and denominator by 3. Therefore, the required fractions are 28 by 36, 30 by 36 and 33 by 36. Now all the three fractions have same denominator 36, so these are like fractions. Thus we have understand the method of changing unlike fractions into like fractions by the example also. Next type of fraction is irreducible fractions. So what is irreducible fraction? A fraction A by B is said to be irreducible or in simplest form also, or in simplest form if A and B have no common factor other than 1. Example. So this says that a fraction is said to be irreducible, means it cannot be reduced further, or in the simplest form. Whenever A and B have no common factor other than 1, means that A and B will not be divided by any number other than 1. Both A and B are not divisible by any number except 1. So, by example, 2 by 3, 2 and 3 have no common factor other than 1. 4 by 9, 4 can be divided by 1, 2, 4, and 9 can be divided by 1, 3, 9. So there are no common factor other than 1. 5 by 7. 4 by 5, etc. These are irreducible form. Next, we are going to learn the comparison of fractions. Under this topic, comparison of fraction, there are two types of comparison of fraction. First of all, we shall apply the comparison for only two fractions by cross multiplication method. And after then we shall learn the comparison of more than two fractions by another method. So let us see here. Comparison of fractions two fractions by cross multiplication method. So if there are only two fractions, then we can easily compare it by the cross multiplication method. Let us see example 1. Compare 3 by 4 and 5 by 7. Solution. Here by cross multiplication, this method you should apply. Denominator multiplies to numerator and denominator multiplies to this side of numerator. So 3 into 7 equal to 21 and 4 into 5 equal to 20. 20 less than 21, therefore 3 by 4. 21 comes 7 into 3 or 3 into 7 equal to 21. This is on the left side, so left side fraction will be greater. It means 3 by 4 is greater. 3 by 4 is greater to the 5 by 7. We also take another example question. Compare 4 by 9 and 7 by 12. Here 12 into 4, that will go to this side and that will go to this side. 12 into 4 equal to 48 and 9 into 7. 9 into 7 equal to 63. Now which one is greater? 63. So the fraction to the right side 7 by 12 is greater. Therefore 4 by 9 is less than 7 by 12. तो इस तरह से हम लोग दो फ्रैक्शन जब रहेगा तो कंपेयर इजिली क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड से कर लेंगे. नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू कंपेयर मोर देन टू फ्रैक्शंस, द एलसीएम मेथड. Here are some steps in the rules. Step 1 is find the LCM of the denominators. Step 2 find equivalent fractions having denominators equivalent to LCM. Step 3 . compare the numerators. These are the steps to compare. So first of all we shall find the LCM of the denominator. Second, इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन फाइंड कर लेंगे जिसका कि डिनोमिनेटर होगा किसके इक्विवेलेंट, एलसीएम के, और उसके बाद हम लोग न्यूमरेटर को कंपेयर करते हैं और जिसका न्यूमरेटर बड़ा वो बड़ा फ्रैक्शन, जिसका न्यूमरेटर छोटा वो छोटा फ्रैक्शन. तो जस्ट लेट अस सी थ्रू द एग्जांपल. कंपेयर 2/5, 7/9 and 3/12. First of all, in solution we shall find the LCM of 5, 9 and 12 equal to. So find the LCM here. 5, 9, 12. Divide it by 2. 5, 9, 6 ja. Again 2. LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. That will be equal to 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36, 5 ja 180. So LCM equal to 180 here. Now change 2/5 equal to 2 into, by what number we should multiply 5 to get it equal to 180? 36. So we multiply numerator and denominator by 36 is equal to 72/180. Next number is 7/9. If we multiply 9 by 20, then we get denominator equal to 180. So 7 into 20 by 9 into 20. 140 by 180. Next number is 3/12. If we multiply 12 by 15, then we get 180. So 3 into 15 by 12 into 15. 45 by 180. Therefore 45 by 180, 45 is smallest among these three. So 3/12 is less than 2/5. This 72/180 stands for 2/5. तो यहाँ पे ये 2/5 हो जाएगा और this one is smaller than 140/180. This stands for 7/9. So 7/9. तो इस तरह से हम लोग जो है कंपेयर करते हैं फ्रैक्शंस का. यही मेनली हमारा दो मेथड होता है. अगर 2 फ्रैक्शन है तो बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन और 2 से ज्यादा है तो बाय फाइंडिंग एलसीएम एंड बाय फाइंडिंग इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस. सो आज के क्लास के लिए इतना ही. ओके.